Here with me today, I've got a brand new Poly Studio R30. Let's see what's in the box. First thing I see is a couple instructions, one to download PolyLens app where I'll go to locally adjust the camera settings or update the firmware, and a quick start guide to get the camera all set up. Next, I've got the star of the show, the Poly Studio R30. It does have an included privacy cap if you need to make sure that you're off camera. In this next compartment, I've got all of the power cords and the USB-C cables, as well as the mounting clamp. So setting the Poly Studio R30 up right out of the box is super easy. First, I'm going to go ahead and get the power supply connected to the AC adapter. First, I'm going to plug the power cord into the power supply and plug the power supply into the Poly Studio R30. Next, I will attach the USB cable that will eventually connect into your personal laptop or compute system. Next, I will attach the mounting clamp if I'm planning on mounting it on top of my display. Now we're going to mount the Poly Studio R30 onto the monitor. With this device ready to go, I can easily pop into a room and plug my laptop into the USB device, as well as the HDMI cord if I'd like to use the monitor, and I'm ready to meet. For more information, visit poly.com.